Okay, now here if you can see that there are the solutions, there are the values of x, right? Just one thing you have to remember, that if it is a linear equation, okay, if it is a linear equation, then you will always get one solution, okay. If it is a quadratic equation, you will always have two solutions, right? Now just see, once you get a solution, and suppose if you need to identify, like suppose the sum or the product of the roots or the product of the zeros, right, are we getting the same or not? Here we have the some examples. For example, here you are given that find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, that is f of x is equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 3. Now the additional question what it has been given, that verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. So as I have told you that when you need to, once you get the zeros, now you need to identify that whether the sum and the product of the zeros what we are getting can we directly find out by using the equation, by using the coefficient. So first let us just write the formula. For example, formula for sum of zeros and formula for product of zeros, right? So here if you write the sum of zeros, it is minus b by a, and that of the zeros, that is a product of 0, is c by a, right? So let us just check, let us just verify, are we getting the same results or not? So first of all, if you see the function what is given to you, function of x is 4x square minus 4x minus 3. Now when you want to find out the zeros, your f of x should be equal to 0. It means that 4x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now when you want to solve the quadratic equation, okay, in this case we can solve by the number of ways, either by splitting the middle term, by making the perfect square, or you can say completing square, or by using the quadratic formula. Here we will try to solve this by using the splitting the middle term, okay. So for splitting the middle term, let us just check. We'll multiply first term and last term. So we are getting 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. So we have to split the 12 in such a way that after addition or subtraction, we get the answer 4, right? So here, can we write like this? 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if you just multiply 6 and 2, that will be 12. If you just add and subtract, answer will be negative 4, right? So now let us just get the solutions. So if you just take out the common out of this, it will be 2x minus 3 plus 1. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, where 2x minus 3, where 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 2, or x is equal to negative 1 by 2. So these are the solutions for this quadratic equation. Now as we got the solution, okay, we have to verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients, okay. So the coefficients are given to you, that is 4 from the 4x square, 4 again from the 4. So let us just write 4x square minus 4x minus 3. So this is known as A, this is denoted by B, and this is denoted by C. Okay. As I have told you that sum of zeros, because we have to determine the relation between these zeros and the coefficient. So I am using the coefficient first. The sum of 0 will be minus b by a. So let us write minus, already there. Again the negative 4 over 4. So answer will be 1. Similarly, c by a, that is negative 3 over 4. Done? Now we will verify this. This we have find out by using the coefficients. Already we have a solutions, right? These are the solutions. Now we will do, first we can calculate the sum of zeros. So can we write 3 upon 2 plus, here the negative sign is given, so minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. Similarly, product of zeros, so can we write here 3 upon 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to negative 3 upon 2. Now just check the results. Here we got answer, that is 1 for sum. Similarly, here we got the answer 1, right? We got the answer for the product, that is minus 3 by 4. Here also we got the answer, that is minus 3 by 4. So here it is clear that yes, there is a relation between the zeros and the coefficient, which can be easily identified by using the formula. I hope this is clear. Let us just look for the next example. Okay, so here we have the next example. Chalo, now find the zeros of the polynomials and again verify the relation. So you know now how to verify the relation. That first of all we will find out the zeros. Once we get the zero, we will use the formula by using the coefficient, and then we will verify. So here f of x is 2 root 3x square minus 5x plus root 3. Let us take f of x is equal to 0. So now 2 root 3 x square minus 5x plus root 3 is equal to 0. राइट, अब ये रूट 3 जो है, रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू जो भी हमारा आया है यहाँ पे, सो रूट 3 को देख के बेसिकली बच्चे क्या होते हैं, डर जाते हैं, राइट. पर यहाँ पे हमें सिंपल विल गो विथ सेम फॉर्मूला, स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. एंड वाइल स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म हमारी फॉर्मूला वही है कि जस्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द लास्ट टर्म. तो यहाँ पे सपोज इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टर्म and this is your last term. So here if you multiply 2 root 3 times root 3, you will get the answer 2 times 3, that is equal to 6, right? मतलब अब मुझे क्या करना है, I have to do the addition and subtraction of 6 in such a way कि मुझे मिले -5x, right? So okay, can we do 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2 will be 5, right? So here can I write like this, 2 root 3 x square. We have to split this term, so I'll write here minus 2x minus 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. अब क्या करना है? We have to make a pair. This is our one pair, this is our second pair. Now we have to take out the common. चलो पहले में तो कोई इश्यू नहीं है कि भाई मेरे पास 2 है, I can take out common. मेरे पास x है, I can take out common. So with the first term क्या बचेगा? We can have root 3x minus 2, right? Now there is a problem with the second thing. The students कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि लाइक यहाँ पे 3 दिया है, यहाँ पे रूट 3 दिया है, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. सो कैन वी डू अगेन? कैन वी जस्ट सिंपली, you know that if you multiply root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. You know those things, right? तो क्या मैं यहाँ पे रिवर्स में चली जाऊं? For this 3, can I write like this? Minus root 3 into root 3 into x plus root 3 is equal to 0. As it is, पहला तो हम as it is लिख देंगे. 2x is equal to 2x in a bracket root 3x minus 2. यहाँ पे now I can take out root 3 as common. So there will be root 3x see यहाँ पे we will, if you take out 2 as a common, so here you will get only 1. Here also you will get 1. Similarly यहाँ पे भी आपको मिल जाएगा 1, right? So now we will have root 3x minus 1 and 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of root 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, 2x is equal to root 3. So x is equal to root 3 by 2. Now these are the solutions. Okay, we have to verify the results. So verification means we can go with the summation and the product. तो अगर यहाँ पे suppose if you are adding this, if you are doing the addition, 1 upon root 3 plus root 3 upon 2. Now one more thing. See, आप लोग को पता है कि when you are writing 1 upon root 3, हमें कभी भी irrational number डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं चाहिए, राइट? तो जब हमें डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं चाहिए, इट मीन्स दैट वी नीड टू रैशनलाइज दैट नंबर. तो अगर मैं इसको रैशनलाइज करती हूँ तो कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस, रूट 3 अपॉन 3, राइट? या फिर आप लिख सकते हो रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3, दैट विल बी रूट 3 बाई 3. Done. So we have rationalized the denominator क्योंकि denominator should not be irrational. Okay. Now here we got the zeros of the x, that is x is equal to root 3 by 3 and x is equal to root 3 by 2. Now just we will verify the result. Let us say x value was root 3 by 3 and one of the value is root 3 by 2. Okay, now let us just do the sum. So root 3 by 3 plus root 3 by 2. Let us take the root 3 as common. Let us take the LCM. So 2 plus 3 upon 6. So which is equal to 5 root 3 by 6. This is the answer for the sum. Let us just calculate the product. So now to calculate the product, can we write root 3 by 3 multiply root 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Done. So here we have calculated the sum and the product. Now let us just verify from the coefficient. So we will again write down the question. So question was 2 root 3x square minus 5x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Minus 5x plus root 3, right? Now as we have to verify this result, so we will use our formula, that for the sum formula is minus b by a. So let us just write again here minus 5 by 2 root 3. So that will be 5 upon 2 root 3. Again, we cannot keep the irrational number in a denominator. So we will multiply by root 3. We will get 5 root 3 by 6. Okay. Now let us verify the product. So for the product, we have the coefficients, that is c by a, which is equal to root 3 over 2 root 3, root 3 cancels, so answer will be 1 by 2. So if you compare the sum, what we have done by finding out the zeros is 5 root 3 by 6, which is similar to the what we have used by using the coefficient. Similarly, the product is 1 by 2 and it has been verified by using the coefficient. So in the exam time, if you just want to calculate, you can just use the formula and you can find out the sum and the product of the zeros. So I hope this is clear to you.